COVID-19 is still around in 2025. Despite the advancements in medical science and the development of vaccines, the virus continues to be a part of our lives. It's a reminder that we must remain cautious and proactive in our efforts to combat it. Even though it's been years since the pandemic started, the virus is changing. New variants emerge, each with its own set of challenges. Scientists and healthcare professionals are working tirelessly to understand these changes and develop effective treatments. This means it's important to know the latest symptoms so you can stay healthy. Symptoms can vary with different variants, making it crucial to stay updated. Regularly checking reliable sources for the latest information can help you recognize the signs early. Knowing the signs of COVID-19 helps you get tested and treated quickly. Early detection is key to managing the illness effectively and preventing severe outcomes. Testing remains a vital tool in our fight against the virus. It also helps stop the spread to others. By isolating when you're symptomatic and following public health guidelines, you can protect your loved ones and your community. Every action counts in reducing transmission. Remember, staying informed is the best way to protect yourself and those around you. Regular updates from health authorities provide valuable information on how to stay safe. Community efforts in spreading awareness play a significant role in our collective safety. Let's stay vigilant against COVID-19. Together, we can navigate these challenging times by supporting each other and adhering to safety measures. Our collective efforts will make a difference in overcoming this ongoing battle. You might know some common COVID-19 symptoms like fever or cough, but did you know a sore throat and fatigue are also common? A sore throat from COVID-19 might feel scratchy or itchy. It can be painful to swallow. Fatigue from COVID-19 is more than just feeling tired. You might feel very drained even after sleeping. It can be hard to do everyday tasks. Why are these symptoms important now? In 2025, the landscape of health and disease has evolved significantly. The symptoms we once associated with common illnesses have taken on new meanings and implications. It's crucial to understand why these seemingly minor symptoms can no longer be ignored, because new variants of COVID-19 are emerging. These variants are not just mutations, they represent a shift in how the virus interacts with our bodies. Each new variant brings with it a unique set of challenges and symptoms that can complicate diagnosis and treatment. These variants might cause slightly different symptoms than earlier ones. For instance, while the original strain of COVID-19 might have caused fever and cough, newer variants could present with gastrointestinal issues or even neurological symptoms. This variability makes it harder for both patients and healthcare providers to identify and respond to the virus promptly. For example, a sore throat is more common with some of the newer variants. This symptom, which might have been dismissed as a minor inconvenience in the past, now warrants closer attention. It could be an early indicator of a COVID-19 infection, especially with the newer strains. Also, people might dismiss these symptoms as a common cold or flu. This is particularly dangerous because it can lead to a false sense of security. When individuals assume they have a less severe illness, they might not take the necessary precautions to prevent the spread of the virus to others. This can lead to delayed testing and treatment. Don't ignore these symptoms. Early detection is key to managing and controlling the spread of COVID-19. By getting tested as soon as symptoms appear, individuals can receive timely treatment and help protect their communities from further outbreaks. Get tested if you experience them. Remember, in 2025, vigilance is more important than ever. The health of our communities depends on our collective efforts to recognize and respond to these symptoms promptly. Stay informed, stay safe, and always prioritize your health and the health of those around you. Section 4. Protecting yourself and others. In this section, we will discuss the various measures you can take to safeguard your health and the health of those around you during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The good news is, there are ways to protect yourself and others from COVID-19. Wearing a mask, especially in crowded places, is one of the simplest and most effective ways to reduce the spread of the virus. Masks act as a barrier to prevent respiratory droplets from reaching others. Vaccination is still your best defense. Getting vaccinated not only protects you, but also helps protect those who are more vulnerable, such as the elderly and those with underlying health conditions. Vaccines have been proven to reduce the severity of illness and the risk of hospitalization. Stay up to date on your booster shots. Booster shots enhance your immunity and provide additional protection against emerging variants of the virus. Make sure to schedule your booster shot as recommended by health authorities. These shots help your body fight off new variants. Continue practicing good hygiene. Regular hand washing with soap and water is crucial. It helps remove germs and reduces the likelihood of infection. Hand sanitizers with at least 60% alcohol can be used when soap and water are not available. Wash your hands often with soap and water. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds, making sure to clean between your fingers and under your nails. Proper hand washing is a simple yet effective way to prevent the spread of the virus. Cover your coughs and sneezes. Use a tissue or the inside of your elbow to cover your mouth and nose. Dispose of tissues immediately and wash your hands. This helps prevent the spread of respiratory droplets that may contain the virus. If you feel sick, stay home. Monitor your symptoms and seek medical advice if necessary. Staying home when you're unwell helps prevent spreading the virus to others, especially in workplaces and public spaces. This helps prevent spreading the virus to others. By following these guidelines, you contribute to the collective effort to control the spread of COVID-19 and protect the health of your community. Section 5. Staying safe in 2025 and beyond. We've come a long way since the start of the pandemic, but COVID-19 is still a health concern. By staying informed about new symptoms and practicing preventive measures, we can continue to protect ourselves and our communities. Remember, your health is important. Don't hesitate to seek medical advice if you have any concerns. Stay safe and healthy.